Howdy world! In today's video, I'm going to be doing a red lip and big afro look. Watch me work. I'm going to start off by using this liquid matte contour that I purchased here in Cusco, Peru. This is drugstore, but this thing is powerful. And it's also waterproof at the same time. Now, a lot of things that I purchased in Peru, the colors were always a little iffy. But this contour color was actually perfect for my skin tone, so I was super happy about that. I did put too much. I should have stopped where I started because I should have just seen how the product worked. And then if I needed more, I should have applied more, but I didn't. But it was totally okay because I just blended it out and it turned out beautiful. For this liquid matte contour, I paid $2 in Peru. I paid, I believe it was 8 soles, 7 or 8 soles. And for the price point, the product was excellent. I mean, it was on point with color. It lasted long. It was beautiful. The blend out was amazing. And it just made me look so much more like sun-kissed. So I was super grateful for it and happy with my purchase. Here I'm showing you the contoured look and the not contoured. And then we go into the other side of my face where I obviously had to put a lot more, to just balance it out with the other side. But as I continue to play with the product, I am going to learn how to use it. That pretty much goes for any product. Sometimes they have their own ways. Every product is different, so you have to learn how to use it. And the amazing part about this is I'm not even wearing foundation and it still looks amazing. So it's definitely a winner. I also made sure to contour under my chin just a little bit. I go very light, basically whatever's left on the brush, I contour under my chin with. Next up, I'm going to be using a blush to set the liquid contour. And I'm just going to apply that to just add some more color to the face and make it a little more dimensional while adding some color and also giving the face a more flushed look. And honey, we are going to highlight now. We are going to glow right now. We are going to be illuminating the world with our spirit, with our highlighter, with our energy. And yes, I am putting that out into the universe. Running my fingers through my hair from the crown out, I'm going to be able to release this afro and make it a mega afro. So watch. Yes, I'm just like picking it, but with my fingers. And it's just going to be this big old heart moon fluff ball. Yes. I never thought in a million years that I would ever love afro. It was like my least favorite thing growing up. I always wanted straight hair. I did not like my curly hair. I would always straighten it with a flat iron. And it just was, I can't believe it. Like, how times change, huh? I'm going in now with a second highlighter to just really make that highlight pop, as you see here. It was nice and subtle and sweet, but I want the big glow. Now we're at my favorite part. And this is when I decide that I want to do the red lip. These are some liquid lipsticks that I purchased from Peru, and this is from a catalog. This one is called Saison, and they have Acequia and they have Label. And these are similar to like your Mary Kay or Avon, which these were on sale when I purchased them. I think they were about like $4 each. And then I bought about like 7 from the catalog. And then I found other colors in a makeup store. And those, since I bought another like 8, 9, 10, they gave them to me for like $2. So I was able to get like 17 different colors, and I'll do a video of the color swatches on those because they're beautiful. And these liquid lipsticks are bomb.com. Like, I'm so serious. The colors are beautiful. I tell you that if you find the perfect red for your skin tone, or if you find a variety of reds that go with your skin tone, you are in luck, because red is just a color that it's a powerful color. You feel powerful, you feel beautiful, your teeth are whiter. It's also a versatile color. You can wear it to a meeting, you can wear it to work, you can wear it to church, you can wear it on vacation, you can wear it to go out dancing, you can wear it to go out on a date. Now I'm going to go in with the blush that I applied on my face. I'm also going to use it as an eyeshadow. And I'm just going to put a little bit of that color on the outer part of my eyes to just give a little more color and to bring this whole look together. Voila, we're gonna poof this hair up a little bit and we're all done. Red lip, big afro, here we come. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao, ciao.